Let us learn about the sounds of animals. Answer the following questions. What sound does a cat make? A cat mews. What sound does a monkey make? A monkey whoops. What sound does a dog make? A dog barks. What sound does a cow make? A cow moos. What sound does a cock make? A cock crows. What sound does a goat make? A goat bleats. What sound does a donkey make? A donkey brays. What sound does a sparrow make? A sparrow chirps. What sound does a lion make? A lion roars. What sound does a crow make? A crow caws. What sound does an elephant make? An elephant trumpets. What sound does a frog make? A frog croaks. What sound does a duck make? A duck quacks. What sound does a horse make? A horse neighs.